What you doing, babies? What you doing? Wanted to make a video for Catherine and Matt. You see how much color the Eckies are getting now? They're just beautiful. They look neon. What's the matter, big guy? This is my stinker. And this one here, you can see he's just 2.5, 3 days behind this one. He's got a green. The green on his head. It's real hard to see in this light. And this is Matt's, maybe. One of these is Matt's. This is beautiful. Can you flap for me? Can you flap for me? Can you flap for me? This baby is just going to be stunning. It's not the color Matt wanted, but I've got that one, and then I've got 3 more that are coming up this weekend. And then this one's got the little tail bars. And it's going to be about the same, just a little darker. It's going to be pretty much slate. The white things on here are actually the covers of the feathers here on the back. As the feathers are opening, they're all slate. And then there's a little pineapple right here, pineapple green cheek, the oldest one. And the Eclectus are baby in it. What's the matter? You just ate. Hi there. Can you put your wings up again? Can you put them up again? No? Okay, that's him.